Hello everyone, I am Muhammad Adel and this is Sweet Half 2020 channel. Today we will explain how to make a professional homepage in Excel. First we go to insert button and click on it and insert shapes. We will choose this shape. Then we put it here. Then we write inside it. We will write, for example, cache. Then we determine it. Then we make font bigger and we will make it in middle. Then we copy shape, Ctrl C. Then we put it in paste with Ctrl V. 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shapes. Okay, right? Now we will make 6 sheets. Sheet 1, I will rename it main. Sheet 2, I will rename it cache. Sheet 3, I will rename it profit. Sheet 4, I will rename it revenue. Sheet 4, I will rename it capital. Sheet 5, I will rename it journal entry. Sheet 6, I will rename it expenses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, we will cache, change profit, change revenue, change, okay, make font small, cache revenue capital, journal entry. Can I choose font small, small, small? Yes. Then I rename last shape expenses. Right, I will make it small. Okay, then we will go to button called view and I will unmark formula bar heading guidelines, so I have nice theme. So I will make things called hyperlink. Hyperlink is one of the most important hyperlinks or formulas or links that I want to go to the home page from one click. Let's see how to make it. First we go to revenue, choose hyperlink, and then we choose place in this document and I will put in it review. I will choose revenue, then press OK. When I press on revenue, I will go to this revenue. Okay, main I will press hyperlink, choose profit, then okay, I will go to profit. Cash, I will hyperlink, yes, cash, okay, capital, hyperlink, capital, okay, journal entry, hyperlink, journal entry, okay, expenses, hyperlink, expenses, okay, journal entry, okay. So now I want to delete this spaces. I will delete it. How I delete this? It is so easy. I will go to view, former bar, hidden grinds. I will go to last cell. I want to delete it, and I will press Control Shift bottom arrow, so I will make hide. Okay, and we'll go to last column, Shift Control right arrow, and I will hide it. So now I have nice theme. So I'm marking form bar grid lines. So I have now simple and nice home page. So in the last, we want to teach you that Excel is one of the most important program you will use here in your life. So please subscribe to our channel and leave your comment and press like to video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you later. Thank you for watching again.